Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making marinara. I simply call it tomato sauce, and we're going to be pairing that with penne pasta. Keep watching while I introduce you to all the ingredients for the day. On our list of ingredients today, we have whole canned tomatoes. Feel free to use fresh tomatoes. This is readily available at the store, that's why I have to go with this option. We have tomato paste, diced onions, crushed garlic, basil leaves, Parmesan cheese for topping, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. So the first thing we do is we add the olive oil to the pan. Give it a few seconds, and then we add our onions. You can slice the onions, dice the onions, however you want it. We just mix that around until the onions is like translucent in color, but not burned, to get that flavor out. Next, we add our garlic. So we mix the garlic around, toss it around, get all that flavor out, all that good stuff. At this point, I put some of our tomato paste, just a little bit. Some salt, black pepper, just to build up flavor. And next, we introduce the elephant in the house, the main ingredient, whole tomatoes. You know, give it a little move around, move it around, you know. So now you want to bring your pan to low heat, and then you cover the pot. Let it cook for 20 minutes.
So it's been cooking for 20 minutes. Right now I'm gonna take up the lid, throw my basil in the pot, and then take it off and blend it all up, make it smooth. Now our pasta sauce is done and ready to eat. I made a side of pasta. Remember the pasta I showed you earlier in the day? Yes, penne pasta. So I'm gonna take a scoop of this, or maybe 2 scoops for more flavor. And I'm gonna save this for our next video. Remember, tomato sauce is a mother sauce. You can make a lot of other sauces or recipes from this one ingredient. Our next video, we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna cool this down and keep it in my fridge. Now, mix up my pasta, my tomato sauce. Look at that, smells so good. There you have it, our penne pasta with marinara. Are we missing something? Nah, Parmesan cheese. Whatever cheese of your choice goes well with pasta.
Did you enjoy this video? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to follow my page for no reason. Thank you.